Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the give egg in Heartopia. So, if you just start the Onsen Egg Promise quest and you want to find you need to find the give egg that Nori hid at the Onsen Mountain. So in here, I'm going to show you the specific locations so that it will make you easier to complete the quest. So what you need to do to start the quest, you can just find Naughty in the Onsen Mountain. This is Naughty in here, and after that, the egg, if you see on the quest list in here, the first egg shouldn't be far from Naughty, so you can just search for it near Naughty, and here I'm going to show you the exact location. So if you go behind Naughty, here you'll see the egg hidden in here, so you can just click on this button and the egg will crack. You can just here take a photo of the give egg, so click on your camera icon and just click on the shutter button. Okay, so now the collection is successful. You can just click on back and the quest is finished. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on